how to use AI. AI isn't just some fancy tech for big companies. It's a tool you can use to make money, work smarter, or level up your game. So, how do you use it? In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 steps, ways you can use AI. How can you use AI? We're going to talk about that in this video. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. Now, the first step is finding the right AI. If you are a content creator, you can use ChatGPT. If you are a graphic designer, you can try Midjourney. If you are a voiceover artist, you can use 11 Labs. And these are the logos for these AI: ChatGPT, Midjourney, and 11 Labs. These AI tools, they do the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is just pick the right tool. Then you're good to go. Step number 2 is learning how to use prompts, how to prompt this AI. AI is like a genie. It gives better results when you ask the right way. So instead of write me a blog, try this. Write a 500-word blog on how to make money online with AI in 2025. This is descriptive and it's also straightforward, and AI is going to understand exactly what you want. So what this means is better prompts is equal to better results. And if you want to learn more about prompting AIs, this is a simple instruction on how to go about. Give it context of what you want, then the task of what it's going to do for you, then the instructions, then you can also ask it if it understands. So for instance, you can say the context in this case is you are a yoga instructor writing a wellness magazine. Now, the task is write an article about meditation. You go back to the context. The goal is to educate readers about the benefits of meditation for stress, relief, and also sleep quality. Then the instructions. End the article by listing some practical tips for beginners who want to start. Keep the tone approachable and friendly. Aim for a minimum of 800 words. The final part, they clarify and refine. Do you understand? You can ask AI questions. So if it understands the prompt and everything that you have in here, it's going to say, yes, I understand. That it's going to generate the blog or the task that you want it to do for you. Step 3 is about how you can turn AI into money. Number 1, you can sell AI generated content. You can offer AI powered services. 3, you can also automate repetitive tasks to save time for people who are willing to pay for that. The goal isn't just to use AI for fun or just playing around with it, but instead you want to make money with it. Just a simple motivation for you: AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to make you unstoppable. Comment AI below if you're ready to use AI for real results. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you also have any questions concerning AI, please drop them in the comments. I'll respond to you. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.